Welcome to Monday's Market Outlook here at Wealth Creation Investing. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at WCI, and not the best kickoff to the holiday, dare I say, Christmas shopping season. Now, unless you've been in a cave, you know that retailers have decided to forego allowing us to enjoy our Thanksgiving and threw open their doors on Thanksgiving. So everybody could be thankful and crush their fellow American in a stampede for $38 TV. But really lukewarm, folks. There were more hair, teeth, and eyeballs out shopping, but not more wallet share. Okay, so kind of a lukewarm kickoff. Okay, down 2.7%. The spending was down 2.7% from a year ago. So that doesn't bode well for this holiday season. As regular viewers here at WCI and Top Gun Options know, Morgan Stanley called for the worst Christmas in 5 years. Walmart has pre-warned that this Christmas season isn't going to be that good. But I got to tell you, folks, they do this every Christmas season. It's your standard Wall Street. If you can't hit the ball over the net, lower the net, lower expectations, and then come January, hey, wow, that was the best Christmas ever, and consumers really opened up their wallets. So not the best start. So I'm going to be monitoring it right now. So kind of lukewarm. Biggest thing on our radar this week, obviously, is Friday. We have the jobs report, all-important jobs report on Friday. Why is it all important? Well, that's because the Fed has said we're going to hang out at this party, keeping everybody drunk on our liquidity on Wall Street until our unemployment target is hit. They keep saying any decision to taper is going to be data dependent. Well, we're going to have a lot of data this week, mainly on Friday. We'll get some isolated reports throughout the week. Monday, we get some ISM and construction spending. Tuesday, vehicle sales. Wednesday, our trade balance and new home sales. That should be interesting, new home sales. Obviously, on Wednesday, we get our ADP job report, which means on Thursday, everybody and their mother on Wall Street goes back and revises their number for Friday. Thursday, preliminary GDP, and that's really about it. What's really worrying me, folks, as regular viewers at TGO know, is our just absolute diminished stature on the world stage. Unbelievable here, whether it was caving on the Iran deal, and now we got China waking up and essentially putting an air defense identification zone over islands that Japan says they own. So here we go. So they are, first day, we blew some B-52s through that airspace, and the Chinese said, yeah, okay, roger that. Now they're sending up their Su-30 and J-11 fighters. They're state-of-the-art fighters. And here comes the Japanese fighters and a couple of air surveillance aircraft. This could get ugly very, very quickly, folks. And don't say, oh, come on, Whiz, we live in a civilized society. China's trying to, become more open. Folks, they just got done that third plenum, right? The dude in charge now, he's got a 10-year tour as commanding officer of China, and he's wanting to send a message. He and Putin over there in Russia know that the United States is on a downswing, and they're starting to flex their muscle. And don't tell me that there can't be a mistake. Anybody remember this? KAL 007? Anybody remember this aircraft being shot down? It could get things can go bump in the night, folks. As a former fighter pilot and flying in these type of, I've flown through these waters, and all it takes is one misfire, unknown intention, wrong word over the radio, and things can get ugly really quickly. I know Japan and Abe, they're rattling their sabers. They want to go change their constitution. The first time since the end of the war, change their constitution to, instead of being a self-defense force, to maybe being an offensive force. So, going to keep my eye on this, folks. Very, very interesting stuff going on overseas there in China. Good stuff going on at Top Gun Options. Weekly options are still doing well. Just sent out a trade alert on Amazon to our urgent alert model portfolio. That's up 48 grand year to date. We're gonna finish the year here with just about triple digits in all of our model portfolios at Top Gun Options. And thanks to the Fed, and this party keeps on continuing. We've kind of leveled out here lately. However, we're not going to level out until the Fed actually tells us we're going to level out, right? So we go up. I remain cautiously bullish. Going to be a good week. Going to be an exciting week with the jobs numbers coming out, and December really kicking off the holiday season. So I'm fired up to wrap up the year really strong here at Wealth Creation Investing and Top Gun Options. And again, folks, if you're interested in our managed account service, we have a strategic relationship with the Black Bay Group. You can shoot me an email, whiz@topgunoptions.com, and we can hook you up with the Black Bay Group. They can send you some information. They're up about 150% since inception in 2009. Nice blended strategy. We did a webinar last week where they detailed, and a lot of you asked for info, and I hooked you up with it. But again, if you're interested in opening a managed account with the Black Bay Group, a Chicago-based hedge fund and RIA, go ahead and shoot me an email, whiz@topgunoptions.com, and I'll go ahead and hook you up. Okay, have a great week. I'll be back with Friday's market wrap-up, or you can check me out Tuesday through Thursday over here at Top Gun Options with our daily sit rep, our situation report. Okay, happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll talk to you guys later.